Hello everyone, welcome back to another Tooltip Tuesday. Part of the RM35 software and its release. Here is another tooltip that could be very beneficial. Now, sometimes in this instance here, there's a chamfer animal and the simulation is complete. So I can suspend it or I can recalculate it. But sometimes the workflow within the i3DG doesn't complete and we don't know which operation has caused the trouble. So usually we deselect these operations one by one to identify. But in RM35, this is now much more clear. But you may also observe that the X mark here will also give some details. But I'll just go ahead and make a small change here for the sake of our tooltip today. So I'll select an incorrect wheel and let's see what happens. So it says invalid tool here and I can select here and it gives me some description. But also now additionally on the right hand side you can see here the operation which is causing the issue has been detected. Let's say you have uh, more than 10-20 operations here. Sometimes it's difficult to understand which operation is causing it. This is the easiest way to find out. Here's another tooltip and I hope that's going to be beneficial for you as well. Thank you.